feeling tonight?
Good evening, Jusa, and to everyone. I am feeling nervous because I am the one who called the top 8.
I'm the one who called the top 8.
I mean,
You're the first one
Yeah,
to be
I'm the
called
first
as
one.
part of
Yeah.
top 8. You're feeling nervous.
Yes po.
Bakit ka kinakabahan?
Kasi nga po una po akong natawag.
Gusto mo ihuli kita? Oh, okay,
Pwede
ulitin
naman
natin yung announcement. Everybody, later na daw siya. Hello to you. Congratulations.
Oh my gosh, I was so nervous that I wasn't gonna be called. I was already signing to my teacher. I was saying, I'm so sorry, because, oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I was so nervous, honestly. I actually promised my advisors to stay demure and, of course, very mindful when I'm on stage. So I'm so sorry for my exaggerated reaction. I was just so nervous. I was so scared of not being called up here on top 8. I'm so sorry.
Congratulations to you, candidate number 9. Are you still feeling nervous?
Very.
Very nervous.
Yeah.
It's because you have nervous system.
Yes. Do you have nervous system, Jusa?
I do have nervous system. Do you have
How
nervous
about you?
system?
I have a nervous system.
Do you have nervous system? Perfect. Everybody is nervous. Hello to you, candidate number 9. Kamusta? You're now part of the top 8.
Hello po, okay lang po. Medyo kinakabahan ako kasi... Oh, grabe. Ganda pala feeling pumasok sa top 8.
Gusto mong malaman ang feeling ng hindi pumasok sa top 8? Vermical. So, is it Vermical? Vermical. Vermical. Oh, para kang sa SpongeBob, may mga barnacles. Iba pala yun. Hindi ka pa ready sa iyong sa iyong question, preliminary question. Casual interview muna tayo. Are you a dog person? Are you a cat person? Or are you a person?
Ako po yung dog. Ay, ano po, dog person po.
May alaga kang aso.
Opo, pinapakain ko po yung asong kalik kasi sa ano namin.
Wow, animal lover siya. So, dahil pinapakain mo yung mga asong kali, ano usually yung mga pinapakain mo sa kanila?
Ano po? Steak. Adobo po, adobo. Medyo po.
Diligence. Kanta yan ng Sex Bomb. Ay, nabali. Diligence mo. The diligence, parang pagiging masigasig. You're diligent. You're a diligent student. It means that you're working hard for something that you want. Tinatsaga mo talaga siya. So you're being diligent. Tama ba ang ating translation? Ayan. Pagiging masigasig. In Ilocano? Nagagat. Okay, nagagat. Parang yung aso, pag may Arabis, nagagat. Hello to you, Miyaka. You seem so prepared. Are you now ready to pick your virtue?
Wala pa akong choice eh.
Wala daw siyang choice. Bibigyan kita ng choice. Pwede ka mag-back out today. Charin.
Looking so stunning tonight.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Josa. Welcome back to La Union.
Thank you so much and welcome to the stage.
Thank you
Welcome
so
to Top
much.
8. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Oh my God, I'm such a fan.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much. It's more fun in the Philippines. Hello, candidate number 15.
Hello po, Josa.
Hi! Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon na ikaw ang huling tinawag as part of the top 8?
Naiyak po.
Patingin?